Hi, Jeff here, SnirtStopper. Snert happens. Stop it. Let's talk about the 4 different sizes we have for the bottom sealer to seal up the bottom of your garage door as tight as you seal up the front door of your home. Our first one is the regular one. This is our flagship product, been out for well over 12 years, have sold over 1.1 million feet of it because it works. Has an 1.25 inch thermal tube and will seal up to approximately a 2-inch gap, depending on the garage door. Then we jump up to the large. That has a thermal tube of 1.5 inches and will seal up to approximately a 2.5 inch gap, and then sometimes larger depending on your circumstances. Then we jump up to extra large. That's a 2-inch core, seals up to a 3-inch gap, maybe more. And a lot of bifold doors will use this here because there's a lot of leakage in those type of doors, a lot of heat loss in the wintertime. Then we jump up to the big one. This is our double X. This is a 3-inch core, seals up to easily a 4-inch gap, and in some circumstances 6-inch depending on the door size. Used a lot in aircraft hangar doors. Again, one of the reasons people love our product, and we have sold over 1 million feet of the bottom sealer, of the regular one, is because we go from rail to rail and we keep those snert monsters out to save you money. Thanks for stopping by.